I watch people run Facebook ads the hard way every single day. They open Ads Manager, click through 15 screens, guess all of it, the budget, the objective, the conversion event, the targeting, even the ad copy. Get one of these wrong and you burn money for a week before you even notice. I don't do that anymore. Now I just say what I want like as if I'm texting a friend and let Claude run it. So this is the new way to run Facebook ads in 2026 with AI. And I'm going to show you how it works, how to set it up yourself from start to finish. Every prompt we use today is going to be in the description below, so grab it from there. Let me start with the old way, because once you see it, you'll never want to go back. Okay, so now I'm in Facebook Ads Manager. So I'm just gonna show you the old way of doing Facebook ads, which you guess are all familiar with. Let's go create a campaign. These are all the questions you need to think about before even creating a campaign. For example, if you're creating a campaign for your clients, you really need to spend time thinking about what is the best, awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, and app promotions and sales. And if you don't know what client needs what type of a campaign objective, then you might be setting them up for failure. So this is something, campaign objectives are really important. A lot of times paid media people spend a ton of time working with their clients to figure out what is the right campaign objective for them. So in our case, let's just select sales and I continue. And now I have so many of these options. I need to really read and review and figure out how to answer all of them. And then the biggest thing is a budget. Clients give you the budget. Instead, it'll be a great thing to understand how to build actually a budget. In the old way, you just have to come with a budget in mind and then just enter it. That budget could be too small, too high, you never know. And then you have various things you need to click through for you to even progress to the next step. And from here, you have to create an ad set name, pick your conversion location. You want to pick your conversion event. Obviously, I picked sales, so this is going to be a purchase conversion event, and attribution models, and when the campaign needs to start and end. So as you can see, there is a lot of stuff I need to kind of go do for me to just create one ad. And it doesn't end. Even we are in the third screen, I'm still continuing to click through a bunch of things here. Annual upload, advantage, plus catalog ads, single image, carousel. And Meta keeps changing all of these ad surfaces and the ratios all the time. So you need to be also super careful about it. And now if everything is set up, then you can publish. So that is the old way of doing Facebook ads on Meta. And imagine now you have to do this like 20 clients, or you need to do multiple ad sets, or you have to kind of create multiple campaigns. I mean, this is a pain to kind of go through each one of these things and create a copy, right? Upload assets. So you don't want to do that. So I stopped doing all of that. Here's what I do instead. You connect Claude, the AI, straight to your Facebook ads account using a tool called Adspire. Now on its own, Claude doesn't know how to build Facebook campaign. Honestly, very few people do. Meta makes it super complicated on purpose, and the people who actually are good at it have spent years mastering it and have spent a lot of money learning how. Adspire is the part that already knows all of that. So you tell Claude what you want, and Claude passes that information to Adspire. Adspire builds the campaigns the right way, with the right objective, the right setup. All the stuff Meta keeps changing, you don't have to worry about it. It does the hard part, only asks you what you actually need. So you bring your goal, Adspire knows Facebook, and Claude is just the way you talk to it. And setting up is super easy. About 5 minutes, you only do it once. So let me just show you how. I'll start at the beginning, connecting Adspire to Claude. And one thing worth knowing, this doesn't just work for Facebook only. The same setup connects 6 platforms: Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, Amazon, even ChatGPT ads, all from the same chat. And the free plan is enough to set it up, launch your first campaign, so you can follow along without paying for anything. The link is in the description below. We've seen the old way before till now, opening Facebook Ads Manager and doing all of the setup yourself. Now here's a new way. For this new setup, all you need is Claude and a tool called Adspire, which hooks up to your Facebook Ads Manager and then connects with Claude. And then you use conversation to launch your ads. Let's see how that works. So it's better to be on Claude Cowork because it has more additional functionality. Let's go to Customize and click on Browse Plugins and look for a tool called Adspire. It's usually in the partners. You click on Adspire, install, there you go, it installed, and you click on Manage. You come back to the skills. See, it already comes with a bunch of skills around what are the best ways to create campaign performance, and a specific skill around keyword research. Obviously, I went ahead and already connected. You will see something different here. Let me actually show you. If you disconnect, this is how it's going to look for you. Go over to the connectors, you click on Connect, and it'll open an OAuth for Adspire. Hopefully, you created your account and connected Facebook account to it, so it'll pull the right campaigns. And then I authorize Claude to use Adspire, and then voila, it's done. So everything is connected. As you can see, I have a bunch of tools already pulled up. There are read-only tools and the write-only tools. As you can see, in the write-only tools, I have Amazon ads, ChatGPT, Google, Klaviyo, LinkedIn, Meta, and TikTok ads. So yeah, Adspire can do not only just Meta ads, but it can do other ads also. Let's run some prompts. I'll create a new chat, new task in Claude Cowork. Okay, so let me paste my first prompt. I'll say audit my Meta ads account. Is everything set up correctly? Run an ads audit right now. Check pixel tracking and everything. So let me send that out. Now, Claude is sending these instructions to Adspire sub-agents in the backend, and Adspire is able to kind of find what's happening with your ads account and come back with it. It found these are all the ad accounts I have connected live right now. So there are some Google ads, LinkedIn, Meta, and all of these accounts are already connected. So it's showing me that experience. Now it's actually telling me my ads accounts conversion tracking is quite bad. So it's asking me there are some critical issues I need to go fix. For example, my pixel event volume is critically low, meaning maybe there are no conversions and I haven't sent this data back. It's a good audit to start with first when you start running your ads. And typically any agency or a paid media person will charge you a lot of money to just kind of do an audit for you, which you get immediately from here. And you'll also get like, what are some of the action plans? What are some things you need to send to your developer for them to kind of fix your audit tracking? Okay, let's say audit tracking is all good. Now let's move on to creating a campaign. So I'm going to say create a Meta ads campaign to get me more signups for Adspire, which is the product. Here's the website. The goal is to get people signing up for the free account, so we optimize for signups and not clicks, and run it on Facebook, Instagram for $50 a day, etc. So that's the prompt I gave. It's a pretty humanly understandable prompt. We don't need to kind of overcomplicate it. Just kind of give the prompt as if you're talking to like your media agency or a person who's running media ads. And now Adspire does the magic. It kind of goes and looks at your Meta ad campaigns, understands what is the best way to give the outcome you're looking for. So now it gave me few things here to understand. I'm going to say I want them to complete registration. Where do you want to run ads? I'll say United States. Who should we target within this geo? I'll say interest based. Okay, it's asking me for an image. I'm just going to send it one public URL and let's see what it does from here. Okay, now it's saying that it has everything what it needs, and then it's able to kind of create some tasks for it so that it can execute these tasks one at a time. So now it's using Adspire Meta ads integration tools for it to go ahead and create a campaign, the single image campaign which I just asked it to create. And you can also see on the right side, it has given you the planning steps. Basically, it's getting the pixel ID and Instagram account, and it's researching target IDs and writing a copy and validating and uploading an image, and then eventually it's going to create a campaign in pause state. So basically it has written a copy. This is the primary text it came up with, and the amazing thing is it already knows by product. It went to previous campaigns which I ran and tried to understand what is the copy I used, what is the primary text, and what is the headline. And obviously I can ask it to change it, and description, everything required for it to go ahead and create a campaign. It's saying it's executed the campaign, it created it. As you can see, the campaign is created and it's in pause state. The outcome is sales, complete registration on pixel IDs, give me the exact pixel. The budget I mentioned, Facebook only, Instagram excluded. Here is the targeting it came up with, and then sign up. So I can click on this link and directly review it. So this is the new way of creating Facebook ads using Claude and Adspire. Imagine the agent actually just took your instructions and was able to kind of completely create a campaign. And now it can actually do this even more at a massive scale if you wanted to run multiple campaigns or multiple ad sets in a more broad way. So let's step back and take a look at what just happened. I checked my account, I made sure it was set up correctly, built a full Facebook campaign with everything right, objectives, right budget, targeting, copy, and everything. I never touched Ads Manager once. And I just said what I wanted, and Adspire did the actual ad work. Here's the new way of doing ads in 2026. Let AI do it because it knows so much about these campaigns, the new terminology, the APIs. So it actually takes away the hard part so that you can actually focus on building better relationship with your client and making sure they are getting benefit out of it. This is the new way to run Facebook ads in 2026. No ads manager, no 15 screens, no guessing. You can say what you want and Adspire builds it for you. And Claude is just the way you talk to it. Every prompt I used is in the description below, and Adspire has a free plan. It's just enough for you to start your first campaign so you can try it out on your own account in the next few minutes. Now, launching ads is only half the game. Actually reading what's working, finding wasted spend, finding where the creative is getting fatigued, fixing all of that, that's a whole different video, and we'll do that next time.